all of the definitions for options.
Let's go through that. So there's two types of contracts, right? There's calls and there's puts. And with both contracts, you can either sell them or buy them. You buy a call or you sell a call. You buy a put or you sell a put. And just like in real life, anytime you buy something, you have to pay money out of pocket. Anytime you sell something, you receive money for it. So just, and I remember when I was learning for my Series 7 license many, many, many moons ago, I had a cheat sheet. There's like a little grid where it says buy, sell, call, and put. And you start doing with the arrows. I don't know if you've done that or not. The easiest one for me to remember was selling a call. So if you're selling a call, you make money when the market goes up. Everything else is like the opposite direction. But go ahead. Tell us your version of that.
Yeah, so if you get an option, what I do is say it's a call option and I want the stock to go up. I'll pick the expiration date, which is the time that the option needs to do whatever it's supposed to do. So if it's an option, you pick the stock XYZ and it's $10 and you want it to go to $11, the first thing that I pick is the expiration date. I go out a certain amount. Now, the further I go out, the more likelihood it's going to happen, right?
To me, this is in my book. The way I look at it is like, if I want to buy insurance on my investment, I have, I don't know, 1,000 shares of whatever stock, Apple or whatever stock you want, right? And if I am concerned because I think the market's going to correct or whatever, I could use a put option. I can buy a put option, which will give me certain amount of, what's the word I'm looking
Leverage.
for? Leverage to really limit my losses on the downside. But oftentimes, like I said, if you're going to buy a put option, it's going to cost you money. And oftentimes what people do is, along with buying a put option at the bottom of their stocks for the stock price to cover their downside, they will at the same time sell a call option, which is a contract that says they can sell the stock at a future predetermined price if the stock goes up. When you're selling a call, you're obviously getting money. So you're taking the money from your selling of the call to use that money to purchase the put option for your downside protection. So basically what you're doing, the strategy is called zero cost collar, because it's costing you basically $0 to do this strategy, because in order for you to buy the put option, you had to take money out of pocket or out of your account, but you sold the call option. You took the money you got for the call option and used the same money to buy the put option. And what's happening? You're limiting your upside, but you're also limiting your downside.